Okay, now I want to show you how to get into our restorative pose. And this is one that's going to really help if you find that you're getting a lot of this rounding in your back and your head coming forward. So this is a variation on the Mountain Brook Restorative yoga pose. You're going to have 2 blankets and a pillow. And alternately, you can use your bow staff. So one of your blankets, you're going to open up so that it's a little wider than your hip width and folded. And then you're going to roll it into a burrito. So it should be pretty thick, maybe 6 or 7 inches in diameter, diameter. And then it should be wide enough because your knees are going to go on this. If it's too narrow, your legs will fall off. So it should be wider than your hips. That goes down there. The other one, you're going to open up even wider. So about, not arm's width, but pretty wide. If you have a Mexican blanket, it's folded 4 times. Then you're going to take your staff and put it on one end. And you're going to roll it up like a little sushi roll. And what this does is it just gives it a little bit more of a solid core. It's still very comfortable though because it's rolled up here. It's not absolutely necessary. You can do it without the staff, but this just gives you a little bit more cushion. Once we get into this pose, you may say, this is too hard, or this is too big, or too small. And then you're just going to rewind and you're going to adjust. And you'll place that down to your side. The pillow will go on the same side as the staff that's rolled out. Now to get into this, you may need to adjust a little bit too. So this roll is going to be placed just under your arms and across your middle back, right around where your shoulder blades are. Okay? And this is going to create an opening in your chest. This is going to go under your knees. So feel free to kind of shift around, and you might use other props that work better, but you're going to kind of lean back and you're going to put your arms over the top. And then you're going to lay back down and you're going to feel it pushing the front of your chest up as you relax. The bottom pillow needs to go under your knees. You could also put it up on a chair or on the edge of your couch if you want. This pillow now will help your neck stay comfortable. You can either put it on your head or roll it up under your neck. What you don't want is your head to be dropping off a cliff with your chin higher than your forehead. Okay? Your chin, this is how you can tell a little trick, your chin and forehead are more or less at the same angle. So roll it up to support your neck, arms open, and then you just relax. Mountain stream pose. If you lay down on this and you feel really, really tight in your upper back, there's a little trick to release and crack your back. You lace your hands behind your head, you bend your knees, and you do kind of a crunch. You bring the elbows together and your head forward, and you often will get a nice crack in your upper back.